Good evening, guys. Thank you for joining my channel. I'm doing a unboxing of the Neo Geo mini pads. I ordered the bundle, so I have them both in black and white. At the time of the purchase, I got this back in September, and I bought the bundle for about $160. So give or take, the Neo Geo Mini was about $109, and the controllers came out to like $25 and some change a piece. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So we're gonna start off with the black. So as you can see, the design of it, pretty nice, pretty simple. You know, SNK Neo Geo. So once open, it comes with a little instruction guide, kind of similar to the Neo Geo Mini. And here we are. And there it is. Feels kind of sleek. Buttons feel kind of smooth. Overall, it feels like a decent controller. Then for the white one, this one's pretty awesome. And this guy here. So this one has the same thing as well, just some instruction guide on how to plug it, how to use it, all that good stuff. And here is the white controller. So these will have the L-shaped USB-C ports, which will go directly into the Neo Geo on the sides, whether you're gonna do one player or two, they'll have them there. And these are how they look side by side. They're very light, I would have to say. Very lightweight. Feels like I could almost break them, but hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully that they're durable. But yeah. Hopefully I'll do a video on some gameplay. Let me know in the comments below what games you would like to see, and hope to see you guys soon.